Honest with me right now. When was the last time you took your durag off, looked in the mirror, and actually felt good about what you saw? I'm not talking about your wave pattern. I'm talking about the spots where waves used to be. That area near your temples that keeps getting wider. That crown that used to be solid, now showing skin you never noticed before. You tell yourself it's the lighting. You tell yourself it's just how the durag pressed it down. But every time you look, it's a little worse than the last time. And it sits with you. It sits with you in the barbershop when you're wondering if your barber notices. It sits with you when someone takes a photo from the wrong angle and you see yourself from the back for the first time in weeks. It sits with you when someone says, just shave it, bro. Like you're supposed to be okay with that. I know that feeling because I lived in it. I spent a long time staring at my hairline, wondering what I was doing wrong. Was it my products? Was it genetics? Was it just over for me? And nobody around me had real answers, just opinions. It wasn't until I started actually studying what happens beneath the scalp at the follicle level that I found something that changed my entire approach. Not a miracle, not an overnight fix, but something rooted in tradition, backed by emerging science that I genuinely wish I had known years ago. And that's exactly what I'm breaking down for you today. Let's talk about what's really going on under your scalp right now, because if you don't understand what's causing the damage, nothing you put on top of your head matters. The word you need to know is DHT, dihydrotestosterone. Your body naturally produces testosterone, and there's an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase that converts some of that testosterone into DHT. Here's the problem. DHT attaches to receptors in your hair follicles and gradually shrinks them. Not overnight, not in a week. Over months and years, it miniaturizes each follicle until the hair it produces is thinner, weaker, and shorter than before. Eventually, that follicle stops producing visible hair altogether. That's when you start seeing scalp where you used to see a full hairline. Now, here's what most hair loss content completely ignores. This process doesn't hit everyone the same way. Black hair has a unique structure. Our follicles are curved, our hair coils tightly from the root, and that means the hair shaft is already under natural tension the moment it leaves the scalp. When you layer on durag compression every night, hard brushing sessions for your waves, tight braids, and products loaded with heavy butters that clog the follicle opening, you're stacking mechanical damage. It's not just one thing working against you. It's a combination of biology, habits, and products that were never formulated with your hair texture in mind. Most of the hair loss research out there, most of the solutions on the market, they were developed for straight hair, different structure, different porosity, different needs entirely. And that gap in the science is exactly why so many brothers try product after product and still watch their hair thin out. Let's be real about what you probably already tried. Maybe you bought that growth oil from an Instagram ad because the before and after photos looked unbelievable. You used it for 2 months and saw absolutely nothing. Maybe you tried biotin supplements because someone in a comment section swore by them, but your hair kept thinning anyway. Maybe you looked into the pharmaceutical route, finasteride, minoxidil, read the list of side effects, saw words you didn't want anywhere near your body, and closed the tab. And I don't blame you for that. Or maybe, and this one hits different, someone in your life looked at you and said, just shave it off, bro. Own it. Like it's that simple. Talks about what that moment actually feels like. When someone casually tells you to give up on something you're not ready to give up on. When the solution people offer you is surrender. Some of the products you've been using aren't just failing you, they're actively making the problem worse. Heavy petroleum-based greases, thick butters that sit on the scalp and block the follicle, alcohols that strip your natural oils and leave the scalp dry and inflamed. You've been spending money to accelerate the exact thing you're trying to stop. If this is hitting home for you right now, hit subscribe. I break down black hair care with real information, not hype. And what I'm about to show you next is the actual method, so stay with me. The ingredient I want to put on your radar is amber oil, and it's not new. It's been used across North Africa and parts of the Middle East for generations as a traditional scalp treatment. This isn't a TikTok trend, and it's not something I'm inventing. It's a remedy with a long cultural history that's now starting to get attention from modern research. Here's what emerging studies and traditional practitioners suggest about how it works. Amber oil contains natural compounds that may help inhibit 5-alpha reductase, that same enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into DHT. When applied directly directly to the scalp, it's believed to create a protective environment around the follicle, potentially reducing DHT's ability to attach and cause further miniaturization. There's also evidence that scalp massage with nutrient-rich oils like this stimulates blood flow to the follicle bed, which can help push dormant follicles back into the anagen phase, the active growth phase. Now, I want to be clear with you. I'm not calling this a medical cure. What I'm saying is that the traditional use is real. The emerging science is promising, and when you combine this with a proper hair care routine, you're giving your follicles the best possible environment to recover. Here's your routine. Once a week, on your wash day, take a quarter-size amount of amber oil and warm it between your palms for 10 seconds. Apply it directly to your scalp, not your hair, your scalp. Focus on the areas where you're seeing the most thinning: temples, crown, hairline. Massage isn't optional, it's what drives absorption and circulation. Leave it on for a minimum of 4 hours. Overnight is better. Then wash it out with a sulfate-free shampoo to keep your scalp clean without stripping moisture. And if you're already running a wave routine or using products to maintain your hair texture, this fits right in as your first step on wash day. Think of it as laying the foundation, because your waves, your style, your shape, none of it holds up if the follicles underneath aren't healthy. Pair this with a quality moisturizer and the right brush, and you're building on a scalp that's actually ready to grow. Let me set real expectation, because I'm not here to sell you a fantasy. This is not going to transform your hair in 2 weeks. Biology doesn't move that fast. But here's what many people who've used this approach consistently report. In the first 2 to 3 weeks, you may notice less hair on your pillow, less shedding during brushing. That's typically the first sign that the follicle environment is stabilizing. Around weeks 4 through 6, some people start to feel fine texture in areas that previously felt smooth, early new growth pushing through. By weeks 8 through 12, with consistent weekly application, visible improvements in density and coverage become more noticeable. These aren't guarantees. Everyone's biology is different, and the logic is sound. Reduce the DHT impact, increase blood flow, nourish the follicle, and give it consistent time. That's not a gimmick. That's just creating the right conditions for your body to do what it already knows how to do. Module 6. 3 months from now, you take your durag off, and the first thing you notice isn't a thin spot. It's coverage you haven't seen in a long time. You run your hand over your head and you feel hair where there used to be nothing but skin. The mirror doesn't make you anxious anymore. Your barber notices the difference. You notice the difference. That's not a fantasy. That's what's possible when you stop guessing and start giving your scalp what it actually needs. Now here's what I need from you. Drop a comment right now. If you know someone dealing with this quietly, send them this video, because trust me, they're not going to bring it up on their own. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now. I put out real content for black hair care every single week. No gimmicks, just what actually works. Interacting with y'all. So thank you for your time.